We're quickly there cutting across to West Bengal's Governor Jagdeep Dhankar joining us live just this minute. We know that West Bengal currently has cordoned off, the police there has cordoned off those areas where the central teams, BSF teams are staying, just to monitor the situation of how treatment or the fight against COVID-19 is carried out in West Bengal. Mr. Jagdeep, thank you very much for speaking to India Today. If you could give out a word or two on this situation in West Bengal that is at hand. West Bengal government, they're saying that they do not accept these teams coming into West Bengal without following protocol. They should have been informed before central teams arriving. They weren't, and now they will not allow them to carry out their duties.
I have urged everyone, for last 1 week in particular, we must cooperate with the state government. I am happy to tell you that all political parties in the state have lent their support to the state government. I have urged particularly Honorable the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to fully cooperate with the central government. We have to work in tandem, in coordination. Confrontation at this point of time will seriously compromise our combat battle against COVID-19. To start a day every day with center bashing is not appropriate. I have examined the constitutional committees. They emanate from a legal regime. Valid law of the land is responsible for constitution of the committees. Supreme Court, as you are aware, has directed one and all. And what Supreme Court directs is binding on all institutions in the country. We trust and expect that all concerned state governments, public authorities, and citizens of this country will faithfully comply with the directives and orders issued by Union of India in letter and spirit in the interest of public safety. Highest court of the land, cautioning everyone, including state governments, to fall in line and abide by the directives of the central government. India is fortunate to have visionary leadership. We have a unified command that has inspired more than 1 billion people. And that is why we are battling in a manner which is being acclaimed globally and nationally. Now, if committee has come here, it should have been received with open arms, warm-hearted approach. They have come here to help the state of West Bengal, the people of West Bengal. If the committee comes here, it will play affirmative role. Such a committee, if it notices that something has to be improved, state and centre will act in concert. Recently, when the Honorable Chief Minister constituted a global center, can I have the order? Can I have the mandate of this global resource center? Can I have what they will do? What have been the deliberations so far? For good 10 days, I am yet to be informed about it. But if you are outreaching people outside the country, nothing wrong in that. You are seeking their assistance. Surely, national resource that is available under a statute thought by the central government as expedient, if they are here, we must make most of it. The approach of the state government, I do not find appropriate.
Right.
I have requested them.
Right,
They must
Governor Jagdeep, just a quick, your take on what allegation has been leveled against the Mamata Banerjee government that they are trying to hide COVID deaths in West Bengal. They're trying to hide the number of positive cases. What's your view on that?
You see, at the moment, I have to be totally in support mode of the government. I have cautioned the government that medical practitioners, their associations have indicated that the data imparted by the state carries no credibility. Now, it has become a global issue. It's being reported outside the country that West Bengal is sitting on a volcano because the data they are imparting has no credibility. I have urged them to be transparent with the data. There should be no trust deficit on the point of data, at least between the government and the medical practitioners. We never had a mechanism anywhere where there will be an audit committee that has not treated the patient to go into the basis and premise whether it's a COVID death or not. Doctors are agitated. They say our professionalism is being compromised.
Governor Jagdeep, will you intervene now? Will you allow those teams to carry out their duties? Will you intervene?
No, I would certainly support the government in this hour of need. If the government has had issues with me, they never came to me. They have raised a curtain in respect of my working. But in sensitive times, I will be the first servant of the state. I will bow down. I am in a request mode. I am urging them, please share details with me. I have to be shoulder to shoulder with the state government. If the state government has any issues, but problem.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.